Hi you guys and welcome back to Jana's Zone. Today's video is not a daily vlog kind of thing. Today I'm just going to try to reset after a whole week of work. So it's going to be like things to do instead of scrolling on a Sunday, because being a social media manager comes with a lot of screen time and scrolling. And when I say a lot, I mean it. So to start up with, the first thing I'll be doing right now is make some pancakes, because I'm really hungry and I need to have breakfast right away. So let's go. I think skincare is the most purest form of self-love, but I'm not really into it. I just apply some gulab gel and I'm done. But hair care is something that I really love. Like back when I used to live at home with my parents, I was so really into it. Like every Sunday, I used to apply some DIY homemade mask or dahi or aloe vera for that matter. But now that I'm here, I can't do it by myself because my mom always used to do it, and you can't do it without someone's help, because when someone else does it, those things can actually meet your scalp. But when I will try to do it myself, I would barely touch the surface. But yeah, I think it's really difficult. So when I'm here, all I do is oil my hair, wash them, and yeah. So the next thing on my list today is reading. I haven't talked much about it on my channel, but if you check out my Instagram, I've read too many books and also have shared my annotations. But yeah, this is what I'm currently reading. It's Days at the Morisaki Bookshop. It's really a fun read. It's like a story about a bookshop itself, and the author is a girl who recently went through a heartbreak, and the course of this book goes on to speak about how she went through it and came out of that and really found herself. And I think it's a fun story, and it has a part 2 as well. I'm almost more than halfway through it. I think I will end it tomorrow. But yeah, I'm just planning to read like 15 to 20 minutes before I leave for the next thing on my list. I'll keep you all updated. Jamun. So guys, the next thing on my list today was go out for lunch with your roommate slash friend. This is Kranti. Say hi. So we are out to have missile, and missile on a Sunday in is a big deal, because you all will get this amount of gardi, and the waiting time is going to be so long. It's half hour. So yeah, we are waiting now. So remember how I told you all that बहुत ज़्यादा waiting थी? I saw my relatives. They saw me and then they called me कि okay हमारे साथ आके बैठ जाओ. And we were just happy कि okay जल्दी खा के हो जाएगा, हमको रुकना नहीं पड़ेगा. So yeah, we went, and that's why I did not record any clips, because it's awkward. Obviously, you cannot use your phone when you are sitting with your family. I hope you all get me. So this was my another thing to do, which is go out for lunch, because घर पे बैठ के order करना is too simple, but it's boring. and you will bed rot. So instead, just take a bath, get ready, and go out. It will make you feel better. Next up, jate jate, I'm going to pick some supplies, stationery basically, so that I can do the next activity. It's pretty exciting. I've been dying to do this since so long. So you guys, I had last told you that I will pick up some stationery and scrapbook, but I didn't. Turns out I just took a nap and now I'm dressed up to go play. I'm going to play badminton with my office colleagues, and that's another thing you can do instead of scrolling. Because all I want to say is during the time of our 10th boards or 12th boards or just for our career, we just stopped doing that one sport or hobby or just our passion. We just left it behind, and I think you should reconnect with it every time you get a chance and not let it slip away. Or you just simply don't decide to stop it in the first place because of your boards or any academic situations. So yesterday I was so tired. It got so hectic that I just decided to not record any clips because after coming back from the badminton session, I just had my dinner and slept away. But it was really fulfilling Sunday, and just like I promised y'all, I decided to do scrapbooking, but I just decided that I'll just do it tomorrow after office. And so I have got all my supplies and stationery ready, and I got all the prints that I needed for that. So guys, these are all the supplies I have. Y'all can check it out. It's a diary. I started it before, but it didn't go well. I have craft paper if I want to do some cutouts. I have lot of these stickers which I got so very long back. I have those another pack of stickers which are, you know, really Pinteresty and aesthetic. I got this gingham background that I can put for my first page. I have sketch pens. I have this book because I want to make it something creative. So look at these. I had collected so many things for this scrapbook. So which I'm finally going to start. I'm so happy. Like I told you all, I had started like 2 pages, but I think I'm not that person anymore who wrote all this. So I will just restart and do my first page right here. I don't want to tear this because it's still part of me, right? Yes, storage problems. So I was just telling you all that our personality is simply like an onion. We are all that ages. Our 7-year-old, our 13-year-old, and so on. That's like another layer in our personality as a whole onion. So I don't want to tear this, and I'll just restart on a new page. This is the start, and now I'm just going to stick it all and then decorate it with some stickers and have my name label maybe. Y'all saw me make my vision board for the first time, and then y'all saw me make my first page of the scrapbook, and all I just want to tell y'all is that this is really therapeutic and really fun. So the last thing I would suggest y'all to do instead of scrolling is document your life. Just 2 days back, I was going through my Instagram archives of what all stories I put. By the way, I'm on Instagram since 2017 or 18, which is like 7 to 8 years now. And let's just say I just had this habit of posting everything and anything. So it just made me cry. It made me get those happy tears, and it was so wholesome and fulfilling. Like, I just felt grateful that I had lived this life, and I had lived it all just in 20 years of my existence. And for most people, they haven't experienced these things, or they have but they don't remember it. So I think this power of capturing everything is what makes you feel more, and both documenting your life and scrapbooking makes you feel that. So try it out for yourself, and I think that capturing will engage you enough to avoid scrolling. It will make you use your phone, but not consume too much of content that is unnecessary. Thanks for watching. I love you all so much. Thanks for all the love and support on my videos, and don't forget to subscribe if you all keep watching me, if you all wish to keep watching me. And let's roll it. Bye bye.
I've been told I should go and find myself.